Happy New Year to you all. So I wish all of you are doing well. Greetings, greetings, greetings to everyone watching me today. So I'm going to do it's weekend, Saturday, the 31st of January 2026. So I would like to do a breakdown of the chart. So I would like to start with USD US dollar versus the Canadian dollar. So whenever I want to do analysis, I come on the higher, I do a top-down analysis. You go to the highest time frame, you go to the monthly time frame, you break it down, come to the weekly, go to the daily, and you go to 4 hours and try to do some few things there. After you go to the 1 hour and you get a perfect entry. So on the 1 month, we can see that from the 1 month, what we would like to do on the 1 month is to see what is happening in the market, the overall view of the market, the overall view, the overall view. So if you want to look at the overall view of the market, this market has been going up. It's in an uptrend, okay? So uh on the monthly time frame, you just try to look very closely if you can see some things you can plot like support resistance. But as I can see, there's no really, I see just one resistance level here that I can plot. Okay, so let me just go ahead and plot it. Okay, this is it. So now the other zones that you can plot, but I would like to go down to a lower time frame to plot them. Okay, so let me plot this one. Okay, let me just plot this one. It's another, it's a resistance. Okay, so no, this is a support, this one is a support, this one obviously is a resistance. So let me go down to the 1 week. Okay, on the one week, what I would like to be looking at, or to see if there are any key patterns that I can see, any patterns, any patterns. So right now, the only thing I can see was a double bottom. Okay, double bottom, and here there's a double top. Okay, now let's try to see what we can do. So looking at this chart on a 1 week time frame, we can see that okay, this was back then in 2014, so that's very long time. The market has been in this range since 2014 till now. It has just been going up to this high, coming down, touching this line, and it did that in 2017. It went up again, continue up in 2020. It touched this resistance, continue to come down in 2021. It touched it touched the support, continue going up. It was going up, going up, and 2025 it touched the resistance zone again. Now it is coming down. So what are we expecting? Are we expecting it to touch this support or are we expecting something else? That's what I would like us to be looking at right now. Okay, but now normally what we can see in this market is that this market is a ranging market. Okay, from the highest time frame or from the higher time frame, the market is a ranging market. You see, coming to the resistance, coming back to the support, going back to the resistance, coming back to the support. Just in this, just in this region, has making has been going down, down, and you need to understand that this is a 1 week time frame. Okay, so you see, when it comes up, it will take a very long time for it to touch back this other zone down. It's going to take years. You know, yeah, it was yeah, it touched in 2016, but yeah, it touched again 2017. So that's a year. Okay, then it went back up from 2017. It took about 3 years to reach back up here, and it took again 1 year, came down, and now it took from 2021 to 2025 before it touched this one back. So for me, what I'm expecting is that um, when we see a market in a ranging zone, this the highest time frame. So we'll not say we are going to wait until it breaks out of it before we trade. No, because as you can see, it's a very very long distance. You see, so it's good if you can get a trading opportunity inside of here. It's going to be it's going to be good. But as for now, as we can all see, it came up here. It has made three touches up here, and it is pushing down. So obviously, for me, I think the market will continue to push down. Okay, it's going to it will continue to push down on, and maybe it's going to touch this support again. Okay, so let's just break it down. Let's go now to the 1 day. We don't treat them the higher time frame. We just do analysis and see where the market is heading to. Then we break it down now to the 1 day time frame. Okay, go now to the 1 day time frame and see the immediate thing that is happening. Okay, now if we come to the 1 day, okay, this my so this let me just draw some minor support and resistance. Okay, so if I can see, I can spot support here. Okay, let me just draw it. Yeah. Okay. Okay, I'm going to clone. Okay, and try to see if I can spot another support. Okay, let me say here. It's a good. It's another one. Okay, make it to be. Okay, it's another one here. So as we can see, it's another one. Okay. So uh, I'm also going to see if I can pull out a trend line. Okay, and just put some. Let me see. I can draw a trend line from here. Okay, this is a good trend line. Okay, let me see if I can get another trend line. Another trend line from up. Let me look for another trend line from up. We are trying to look for every possible means that we can draw structure on the market so that we can get an entry. Okay, so uh, okay, let me say this is good for now. Okay, now I've drawn a trend line from here, and as we can see, as we did the analysis on the 1 week time frame, we saw that this one here was a double top, and the market is pushing back down. Okay, as we can see. So now the market has broken this trend line. There's a trend line here. It has broken the trend line. Okay, you see, it has broken the trend line here. Okay, so now, uh, and we can see that the market is pushing down. So what we are going to be watching at is to see that the market comes back on this and make a retest on this trend line. Okay, let me just show us the possible way options I'm thinking. It can come here. Okay, make a retest and goes back down, or it can come here. It can go back up here. Okay, and make a, so the market can come back here. Okay, and then it's going to make a, going to come down. Okay, so these are the possible options that we can see. You can come to this line, this trend line, you see, and it pulls down, or you can continue up here and enter into this region here where there's a resistance and a trend line, and you can also make a, and then you can continue to push back down. Okay, so this is what we can be expecting. So let's just watch out and see. Let me go to the 4 hour time frame. See, so as we can see, this is what I was showing, that the market can come to this trend line and push down, or it can enter back. It can come back to this high here. You see, and I'm expecting that before it comes to the high, at times it will not just go very fast up here. It will take some it will take some time, and maybe when it's reaching up here, it might be reaching up here at this zone. Okay, and meeting at this line, or it may just come up, but just be watchful with this line, with this trend line, this support, this resistance up here, and this other trend line here. Okay, just keep an eye on them and see how it goes. Okay, so and also remember that trading, you know, one part of trading is to do the analysis. Another part is your risk management. Okay, and also your psychology. Knowing how to be patient, how to control your emotions, all those stuffs, and know how to manage your risks, know how to take a trade and stay disciplined. Okay, so just put all those factors together, and you see that you are going to be profitable in 2026. So this is what I'm looking at, and this is what I will be looking at. So I thought it wise to share with you, so you guys can also check it out. And I wish you all the best, and I hope that all these ideas will help you in trading. Okay, so you can also pull out Fibonacci to see. Okay, let me say you can pull it from here to here, and to also see. So as we can see, if we pull it from here to here, we can see that this zone here is a point of interest. The golden zone is a point of interest, so you can be looking at it. You can also be watching at that level to see. Okay, this one you see. So you can also be watchful about this area here, because if we pull out our Fibonacci from here to here, we can be expecting that maybe the market will push back into this zone, into this area here, and make a rejection. So just look at it and let us see how it's going to go. Okay, I wish you all a successful trading week, and a trading year. So you guys take care of yourself. Peace. Shalom.